Hello everyone, my name is Medansh. I'm studying in class 12 in St. Peter's High School. I'm from Hyderabad and this is my humanoid robot, Mycroft, and my team name is Medansh Innovations. So let me show you the components used in it. So now let me show you the working of it. So it has got an OLED display and a V2 camera module for Raspberry Pi. If you have a look at the back, it has got an Arduino Uno which basically displays the image of the eye and through Raspberry Pi 2 it can stream 1080p videos over the internet to all the devices. So if you go down, you have a speaker and you have a microphone here. And this is the speaker. So this is to interact with the robot. So this is Raspberry Pi 3B plus. So it is connected to voice hat. So this voice hat is having a mic which is here. This is the mic, and if you go down, there are two Arduinos. One is for obstacle avoiding and one is for Bluetooth. Through Bluetooth you can control it, and it's having a HC05 BT module and two motor drivers and an Arduino to control the arm movement and the head movement. So to change the modes, this is the switch to change the modes, and this is the Wi-Fi adapter to get a better signal, and there are three silent gear motors to have a smooth rotation in its head and arms. If you come down, this is a 12 volt battery which is running the whole system, and there are four Johnson gear motors and four wheels. So if you come to the front part, this is the HC05 ultrasonic sensor. It can detect obstacles and help the robot to move and detect the obstacles. So now let me show you the practical working of it. So it has got an V2 camera module which is connected to Raspberry Pi, and it has got a motion iOS which can capture motion and can even track humans. It can rotate 180 degrees and it can cover all full frame, wide angle frame, and it can monitor things like it can be used for monitoring, for baby monitoring, or it can be used like surveillance cameras, and if this port forwarding is done, so it can be accessed from anywhere in the world, and it can even easily be streamed through Wi-Fi through all the devices. So let's interact with this robot. Hey Mycroft, what's the time?
14:07.
Hey Mycroft, spell apple.
APPLA.
So this humanoid robot can be used for dyslexic students, and it can interact with humans, can do many tasks, and like searching about a person in Wikipedia, and it can think and answer, it can tell you the time, it can control fan, it can do many things. So this is all about the interaction part. So now let's go to the movement of this robot.